What is up guys, Dr. Sammy here, and today I want to share how we create beautiful crowns here at Nordahl Dental. So this case involves my wonderful assistant Brittany, who is a bit self-conscious regarding the shape, design, and color of her two front teeth. The pre-op photos show how the incisal edges are not aligned, there's a bit of overlap, and a little bit of discoloration on her front teeth. Together we reviewed every option including braces, dental veneers, and dental crowns. Britt opted for lithium disilicate crowns, which is one of the most aesthetic materials on the market. After preparing the crowns, we made some temporaries that she could wear while waiting for the final product. Although these are only temporary, it is important to focus on the details in order to get a sense of whether she wants to adjust the shape and color of the permanent crown. Since we are working on one of the most visual areas of the mouth, it is critical to get a shade that matches her adjacent teeth. This gives us the illusion that the crowns are natural and unnoticeable to the human eye. This custom shade process is done by working with the dental shade guide and taking a variety of pictures to guide what color fits best. Once the lab has finalized this process, we permanently cemented the final crowns in place and adjusted the occlusion to make sure she has a very comfortable bite. Brittany was ecstatic with the final product and she wanted to share a few words with you guys regarding the process.
Okay, so Brittany, what did you not like about your previous teeth?
My previous teeth were discolored, they were rotated, the overlapping really bothered me from my side profile. One was protruding farther than the other.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you like about these ones now?
They're perfect.
So do you like, is the color how you like it? Is the shape how you like it?
Yes.
I mean, we were looking at the previous photos, they're pretty different, right?
Yeah, it's a huge difference. They're perfect. They're all in alignment now. The color match is wonderful.
Good.
I was able to bleach my teeth, so overall they're completely lighter. A beautiful smile.
Awesome.
I hope this video gets rid of some of the uncertainty regarding the process of dental crowns. If you like the video, please share it, subscribe, or like it on the channel, and we'll see you for the next video. Thank you.